So guys, the paper you are looking at is not a sketch or sketching paper. Okay, so it's a watercolor, Canson watercolor paper. So now you guys thinking what I am using this paper for, demonstrating nose drawing. So I first I brought this paper and I tried to do some watercolor on it, but I can't make it good. Okay, so it was a disaster. So that's why I quit to do watercolor on this paper, and I thought that why not I use sketching on this paper. Let's try. And this is the first sketching that I am doing on this paper. Okay, and showing you the watercolor, showing you the drawing nose from different angles. So this is the lots of people uh, starting with a circle and then draw. Okay, but I think that what helps you, that's the way. Always make your simplified forms, not do not try to copy others, not even mine. Okay, I am doing this because I love to do like that, or it helps me to do, it helps me to work. Okay, but if you have any other way, or if you don't have, you can find my way is simple than others, then you can use mine. Or if you have any other way, you can do with that form. Okay, so this is the first, so this is the front view. Now you can see that I have done everything in some geometrical shape basis. Okay, so this is like, looks like a triangle, this is a square type. So some people starting with the circle. Okay, and what they do, they start with a circle, and after that they make here like this. So this is the another way of doing a nose from another type. So the way you like, you can do like this. It doesn't matter, you have to follow my way or any other artist way. You can make your simplified shape, your simplified form to do your nose drawing, or make your nose drawing skill better. Okay, but you can follow this if you don't have any idea how to do a nose, or how to start your nose drawing. So this, I hope this helped you a lot. Okay, so this is the front view. I will show you many views.
Beginning of the video I said that my English is not that much perfect, so if I am speaking anything wrong, then I am very much sorry about that.
So now I will do the side view. This is not the proper side view, it is quite like 1/3 view. Okay, so let me show you how to do so. First, so whenever I draw a nose, I try to make not only nose, whenever I draw something, I try to make simplify this, a simplified shape, like simplified geometrical shapes like rectangle, triangle, circle. Majority of people when drawing nose, they use the circular shape first, and then, as I saw in the first one, they use the circular shape, and then after that they build all the details or shapes. But I usually do this triangular shape, and then starting from this I do other stuff. Okay, you guys can see that I am doing everything in geometrical. I am trying to do everything in geometrical pattern. Okay, because it helps you to achieve what you have wanted to achieve. And now I am using this color pencil, brown. I hope this is a brown color pencil. Okay, so you can use any, but at first I recommend you don't use this color pencil because it is harder to erase. So you can use any 2B or 4B pencil. Okay, and to normal any kind of eraser. Some people use kneaded eraser, but at first when you are sketching, you should use normal eraser. Okay, I don't know what the name of the eraser, but I will show you this kind of eraser. Any this kind of eraser you can use. Okay, So this is the side view. So not properly side, because you can see here, this is, you can see the another this. Another side view, and you can do this by drawing circle. Okay, it's also very easy, it's not that much tough. Okay, so first starting with the circle, and then do the this. If you wish to buy any watercolor paper, so first of this Canson XL paper is, I hope, for me it's not that much good, okay, because the color didn't blend together. I'll show you in another Canson XL paper review, okay, review video.
This is another view of doing a nose. So the second one, you can see that the nostrils, the nostrils, you can't see the nostrils, but in this one you can see the nostrils, but it is quite a 1/3 view, but you can see the nostrils also. So
So this is the another way. So the difference of these two is, so here you can't see this one, okay, but in here you are seeing this one quite bit much than this, okay. Now if I draw this in a doing this sphere, so first draw any sphere and then draw this, and so if you want to see, you are seeing this much, this one. Okay, so I hope you can see this.
now it's time to draw another view of a nose. So I don't know what this view properly, exactly what this view called, but if you see a head from the top, not properly top, but if your eye go through the chin, you can see this kind of nose. Okay, so that's it.
Now you can also draw this by doing a circle. The nose drawing from various or different position. Now I'm going to show you the different types of nose. Okay, because this differs from nose to nose. Okay, so let me show you how to do these types of nose, or if you find any other types of nose that I am not showing in my video, as I say you before, that make your simplified shape. You don't need to follow some other artist simplified forms, some others artist simplified shapes. You can make your simplified geometrical shapes. That helps you much than these other videos, or than this video or any other artist work. You can inspired by them, but I suggest you do not copy their work. Okay, you at first beginning you try to do like them. Okay, so it helps you a lot, but sooner or later make your simplified shapes, make your methods, make your style to do how to do a nose, how to do a lips, or how to do a eyes or head drawing video. So if you want to learn from anyone, so any book, so I suggest you Andrew Leung's Heads and Drawing Books. Andrew Leung is a great artist, and I find this book very much helpful, and I use this book. I don't have this book hard copy right now. If I had, I can show you. I must show you. But if you can buy this book, you can learn from this book many things. Okay, so one last position, last viewpoint of nose that I forget to show you. Oh, let me show you this right now. Okay, so if you are seeing a nose from properly side view, so what it looks like. It looks like that. Okay. This is the proper side view of nose. Okay. I am going to show you how to draw different types of nose. So this is not that much tough. If you can draw this, then you can easily draw any types of nose. Okay, so suppose these types of nose you want to draw. This is one type of nose. Okay, this is another type of nose drawing you can do. This is the long nose, and you can say that this is the fat nose. So while drawing any sketching, shading, light and shading matters. I hope this video helps you a lot. If you find this video helpful, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel, because your support, your comments, your likes helps me to do more videos, more work. So thank you for today. Meet you in the next video.